Okay, hello YouTube, and I am back. I start this kind of again this channel, and I have not been so interested with vacuums, and there is one savior what I want to show you. Or what has saved me from hard work when I was sick. So this has been my daily vacuum. And so Eufy, this has changed the way I vacuum. So very nice for keeping the apartment looking clean. So now I take this back and say what this video is all about. Okay, so we have this quite rare AG precision brush roll clean. Now, extremely feature-rich vacuum, but is spoiled very cheaply. So it is very mixed bag, and I am not going to go too much to the details of this, because this has to be also in the church vacuuming. Yes, believe it or not, it is coming. So, brush roll. If I can see what I'm filming. Can I see that? And can you see that? Yes. So this is the same brush roll basically what the Electrolux powerhead has, but this opening is much more narrow. And what we are going to do is going to see what this picks up after a long time using stick vacuum with 24 CFM of airflow. This has 76 CFM of airflow, but both have very good suction. So bin is empty, obviously, but it is very cloudy. For some reason this gets very cloudy, more cloudy than other bins, but it is truly clean. And pre-motor filter is clean. So, and I hope my neighbors are not going to get upset about this sound. If they are, then well, I am not going to care. A bit tricky. Okay. So, okay, it is still in the shot. So, I was quite far away. So, let's start vacuuming this thoroughly and see what it picks up. Okay, camera is furthest away as I can get it. It is next to the wall, so this is what you are going to see. So I was planning to split this to two sections, but let's see. I don't even remember how this goes with this route, so let's see. Oh my lord. Okay, so that was the biggest workout what I could imagine. Now, obviously this rook is bad for almost every vacuum, and this vacuum has two big steps between the height adjustment. So what that means is that one position is too high and it doesn't contact the carpet, and one is too low next to it, what I used, and oh man, I had to use all my weight and all my strength, and my back is not liking this at all. So it is going to be interesting next night and especially morning, but I really wanted to get this clean and show that what it can do. And note one thing what makes this more difficult is that now this is sealed, that front of the nozzle, so it's not flopping around loosely. And remember that this has insane suction when it is sealed to the carpet. So okay, let's see what it picked up. So okay, this is how the tin looks like. And now for the paper. So can I do this quickly without editing? Okay, that is not going to work. Leg in the way. Not a leg in the way. But anyway, let's zoom to that. Okay. So, like I said, this has been vacuumed, borderless vacuum only. And let's do this so I don't have to bang it when it is open. Up it. Okay. So carved fibers, and okay, we would never done this. It is very good for my health and for keeping my apartment clean, and I still keep using it, but well, this amount of fine dust and zip tie and grit, very soft, fine dust, a lot of fine dust. Oh my. So not really a surprise, but well, that all the hard work was worth it. But you don't have to do that with every vacuum. So let's wrap this video up. Okay, it did very good. So how is the pre-motor filter? That is something what is very important with pipeless vacuums, and this is dual cyclonic, so just very small amount of fine dust. So cyclone system in this is very good, but copied from very early Dyson vacuums. But it works very well, and that is what I care about. so I am still out of breath. So, okay, yes, it is performing very well. And I still have this horrible rook. Everything else about this rook is fantastic, but not the vacuuming part. So there is only few vacuums that can deal with this, and this is not one of those. Or actually user can't deal with vacuuming this rook with vacuum like this. So I hope you enjoyed this, and this was like I really want to do video moment, and yes, huge amount of that deep down stuff. So if you have cordless vacuum, even most expensive Dyson, I mean stick vacuums, we are talking about those now, then you really should do deep clean once a week maybe, or once or 2 weeks. So there is that. But anyway, this is getting long, this video, so there is that. HE class, well, this is Electrolux, but they just changed that label to HE. For the UK market, you can see that Electrolux logo there. So, thanks for watching and goodbye.